Well, good morning from the Polar Star Hotel. We're having a beautiful morning. There's a couple of birds there on the tree. Are they goldfinches? I think they're goldfinches. Yeah. So, as I say, we're right in the middle of the Balkans here. So here you are. I'm right out of the road now. And very quiet and peaceful. And just look at this scenery here. Isn't that gorgeous? So just look at that. It just gets nicer and nicer and nicer. Isn't that extraordinary? Two big dogs here. That's a little mini ski toe there, because they obviously must use this as a little mini slope, because it goes up to there to a ski toe. I've got a slightly different view of the mountains, and some more chalets in between us there, but it's just lovely. The air is so clean and fresh, and there's the lovely Andrea. So we have stopped at this viewpoint where there is this scary bridge. I don't know whether we can walk across it or not, but it seems to be in a stage of repair or upgrade. But yeah, there's zip lining and all sorts going on here, so let's have a look. Zip line Montenegro. Oh, of course we're on the bridge. The bridge that's been repaired. Jay and Jens are ahead of me. But there's zip lines all over the place here. You can see why this has been repaired, because it's sort of breaking up here. So yeah, got the beautiful river there and a canyon. Absolutely stunning. The other side, again, we see the I think that's the end of the zip line. Yeah, but just look across the valley. Stunning. So they do rafting, zip lining, all sorts of stuff goes on here. Now we can see the canyon. Nobody's on it. It's a bit of a shame. Just heard the cuckoo loud and clear there. Here we have a memorial to looks like a military memorial, with a lot of information here. He is Bogadar Zugic, punished his own commander for attempting to surrender the regiment to the enemy. Wow. Now we see the bridge from a different angle, and the zip line. That's real good. Yeah. There's a bit of engineering expertise that's gone into that. Come up a little bit higher. This is fantastic. It was a great stop. That's the full extent of the bridge. Arrived at the Biogradska Gora National Park, and we're going to walk around the lake. Which one of these peaks would you like to climb? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You'd like to climb that one? That's 2,117 meters.
A good practice run for the Lake District.
Okay, it would be very, very challenging. That's higher than Ben Nevis, by the way.
I need oxygen.
is the lake we are going to walk around today in the Biogradska Gora National Park. Okay, the bear.
The bear.
100 points. 100 points. 100 points for bear. Oh,
Hawk.
Great Falcon. That's 50.
That's 50.
50. Oh, the common toad. Common toad. That's 25. 25. Oh, that's rare. That's rare.
Rare.
Oh, the otter.
The otter, that's 75.
Oh, 75. 75 for an otter. And the wolf.
The wolf, that's 100.
That's 100. That's 100.
Okay.
We're never going to see any of those.
Okay.
Here's a little sign about this tree in front of me. But it's actually telling us that we're at an altitude of 1,123 meters, which is significant.
The boats are floating.
Yeah, it's lovely here. Absolutely lovely. Just look how nice that is. Isn't that lovely? Absolutely stunning.
What is that word? What does this sign say?
Fishing is prohibited.
No fishing. No
fishing.
fishing. No fishing, Jay.
Okay.
No fishing. Okay. Hug the tree. Approach and measure the circumference of the tree. We're almost at the bottom of the lake now. And the terrain is fairly typical of what you see there. That's just what it is. It's just easy walking. What we've got now is a boardwalk, which is great. Obviously the ground a little bit soft here. You can deviate right, I think, down to the lake. Here you are. These are the animals again that you might see here. Love to see a woodpecker and an owl, but very difficult in this environment. Okay, that's lovely. That's lovely. And then on this side, it's flowing into the lake really, really fast. That's lovely. Beautiful. And then into the forest. Again, here's some of the animals you can see here. Birds of prey, squirrels. That's a hare and a deer. Very peaceful, calm. Yeah, another nice view of the water and the lake. And here's a seat that has been strategically positioned to get that. Lovely. Nice colours. Colours through the trees there are fantastic. Fantastic. We're just over 3k now. I think we'll end up about 4. Look at that, how brilliant that is. Wow. Those mountains are big. They are high. They are high.
Are you enjoying the stroll?
Oh, fantastic. Great. Really loving it. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
This is our hotel now for the next evening. One night really. Hotel Surder near Kolasin in the Balkans, Montenegro. And the rooms are fantastic. I'm just going to walk out the back here. Well, here's a little bit of rural Fermanagh. We've got dairy cows eating real grass in the field. But oops, let's go up this way. Hey, look at the size of those mountains. And there's snow on them, which is lovely. I'm just going to explore a wee bit further down here because I think the hotel has these little chalets and just wonder what's at the bottom. So I've just walked down to the bottom of this meadow. Look, it's all wildflowers. That's growing. It's lovely. It's a little bit bumpy, the ground. And what do I find? A bench. A bench. Yet there are arrows, and those arrows are taunting me. They are taunting me. Wow. Wonder what this is for. This pot. Oh, you can cook over that. Cook in it. Right. So it looks like there's a little trail here. Should I? Should I? Should I? Should I? Why not? Let's go. Yeah, I'm getting some more spectacular scenery, but the blue arrows are pointing this way. I believe it is the River Tar. The signposts pointed this way, and this way I am going. So if you follow the blue signs from the hotel, this is where you come to. It's like a dried up river. Very little water in it.